Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Vinted website. I'll be explaining to you how can you leave feedback on the Vinted website directly to their agents. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up Vinted on your preferred web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your profile. And from the home page in the top right corner, you will click on this question mark icon, which will lead you to the help center of Vinted. Down here, scroll all the way until you see the community, and then you'll click on send us your feedback. In the feedback form, you'll click on fill in the form. Then you'll select the reason you're using Vinted, either selling or buying. And down here, uh, explain all of the problems or feedback that you want Vinted moderators to see. So once you give them your problem or your concern, and once you type it in, we'll click on submit, and as soon as possible, you will get some feedback from Vinted replying to your initial form. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.